Hello students, today we are starting a new chapter, that is measures of dispersion. Before going to the problems, let us discuss some important notes. The first note is the arithmetic mean of ungrouped data is given by sum of observations by number of observations, where n here is the number of observations. The median of an ungrouped data. Median is what? The middlemost value. If the number of terms are odd, then the middlemost value, that is n plus 1 by 2, will be the median. The number of terms are even, then n by 2 plus n plus 2 by 2. That will be, you have to take the average of these two terms. That will give you the median. Range, mean deviation, variance, standard deviation, all these are the measures of dispersion. Range is defined as the difference between maximum value and the minimum value. In a given data, if you subtract minimum value from the maximum value, that will give you the range. Next, mean deviation about mean. For ungrouped data, the formula is sigma modulus of xi minus x bar by n. For group data, it is 1 by n summation fi into xi minus x bar. Mean deviation about mean, median. This is about mean, this is about median. Just replace x bar with median. That is summation xi minus median by n, modulus of xi minus median by n. For group data, it is 1 by n summation fi into modulus of xi minus median. So these are the formulas of mean, median, and mean deviation about mean, mean deviation about median. Let us discuss some problems based on these formulas. Find the mean deviation about mean for the following data. First one, values are 38, 70, 48, 40, 42, 55, 63, 46, 54 and 44. First of all, we have to find the mean. After finding the mean, we have to find mean deviation about mean. Now, mean x bar. How many values are there altogether? 10 values are there. You have to add all these values. 38 plus 70 plus 48 is 40 plus 42 plus 55, 63 plus 46 plus 54 plus 44 by 10. This is 108, 148 plus 8, 156, 196, 198, 238, 238, 288, 293, 296, 296, 296 and 356, 356, 396 plus 6, 402, 402, 456, 456 plus 4, 456 plus 460 plus 40, 500. This is 500 by 10, which is 50. So mean x bar you got it as 50. Mean deviations are xi minus x bar, that is 50 minus 38 comma 50 minus 70 comma 50 minus 48 comma 50 minus 40 comma 50 minus 42 comma 50 minus 55 comma 50 minus 63 comma 50 minus 46 comma 50 minus 54 comma 50 minus 44. So what it will give you? So this will give you 12, 20, 2, 10, 8, 5, 13, 4, 4, this is 50. 4 and that is 6. These are the mean deviations. Mean of deviations is nothing but 12 plus 20 plus 2 plus 10 plus 8 plus 5 plus 13 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 by 10. Let us calculate this. This is 32, 34, 44, 44 plus 8, 52, 57, 60, 70, 74, 78, 84. That is nothing but 84 by 10, which is 8.4. This is the mean deviation about mean. Similarly, we shall find mean deviation about median, that we shall discuss in the next class. Thank you. Our next problem in this chapter is find mean deviation about median. So first of all, you have to find the median of the given data. Then you have to find the deviations, that is absolute values. Then you have to find mean of the deviations about median. Now let us discuss how. 10, 11, 11, 13, 13. After 11, you have 12, 13, 13, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18. So how many values you have? 5, 5, 6, 11 values you have altogether. Yes. So here 3, 6, 5, 11 values. Now what is the median here? The middlemost term is the median, that is 13 is the median. Here median is equal to 13. Next we have to find absolute values. First one is 10 minus 13 comma 11 minus 13 comma 11 minus 13 comma 12 minus 13 comma 13 minus 13 comma 16 minus 13 comma 16 minus 13, comma 17 minus 13, 17 minus 13, 18 minus 13. So that will be 3, 2, 2, 1, 0, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. This is what you have. Now you have to find mean deviations about median. Mean deviation is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 by how many values you have altogether? 11 values. So this is 5 plus 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 4 22, 22 plus 5 27 by 11. So that is nothing but 11 27, 11 2s are 22, 5.0, 11 4s are 44, 6.0, 11 5s are 55. So it is nothing but 2.45. Therefore mean deviation about median is nothing but 2.45. We will discuss the next problem. Our next question, last question for today. Find the mean deviation about mean for the following distribution, that is xi, fi. Xi values are 10, 11, 12, 13. Fi values are 3, 12, 18, 12. So you know the formula. We need what all we need, that we are going to write here. Xi, fi, fi xi, xi minus x bar, f into xi minus x bar. This is what we have to find. What are xi values? 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 12, 18, 12. fi xi values 30, 12 10s are 120, 12 11s are 132, 18 10s are 180, 180 plus 36, 216, 13 into 12, 13 10s are 130, 3 2s are 13 into 12, that is 26. 156. Here you have 156. Summation fi is equal to 45. This value is nothing but fi xi 162, 362, 368, 378, 378 plus 156, 14, 13, 534. This is nothing but 534. Xi minus x bar. First of all, we have to find x bar. X bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. 534 by 45, which is nothing but 11.866. That is the value. Now xi minus x bar. 10 minus 11.8, 1.866. 11 minus this 0.866. 12 minus 11.866. 0.134. 13 minus 11.86 is 1.134. F into x, this into this. 3 into 1.86 I am writing from directly the values. 5.598, 10.392, 2.412, 13.608. Total if you do, you will get 32.01. Okay. Now mean deviation about median formula is 1 by n summation fi into xi minus median, that is nothing but 32.01 by 45, which will give you 0.71. So this is the mean deviation about median. About median. Hello students, in this problem there is a small correction. Here I have written median, make it as mean. Here also it is mean. This is the previous problem. Make it as mean. I have written median, you make it as mean. This is correct. Right. Let us discuss the next problem. Find the mean deviation about median for the following frequency distribution. Find the mean deviation. Find the mean deviation about median. You are given this distribution. Xi, Fi. Xi values are 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. Fi values are 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. Okay, first of all, what all we need, that we will write. Xi, Fi, cumulative frequency, Xi minus median, Fi into Xi minus median. This is what we need. Xi values are 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. Fi values are 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. Cumulative frequency 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 6, 26. xi minus median. First of all, we have to find median here. Find n by 2. N by 2 is 26 by 2, which is 13. Value just greater than 13 is 14. So here x value median is equal to 7. What you have to do? Xi minus median value 5 minus 7 2, 7 minus 7 0, 2, 3, 5, 8. These are the values of xi minus median. Next, fi into xi minus median. 8 2s are 16, 0, 4, 6, 10, 48. So now what is the formula for mean deviation about median? Mean deviation about median, deviation about median is 1 by n summation f into xi minus median, that is equal to 1 by n value is 26. Here you have to add these values. 48 plus 10 58, 58 plus 6 64, 68, 78, 78 plus 6 84. So that is 84 by 26, which is 3.23. This is the value of the median. So that's first of all what you have to do here. You have to find cumulative frequencies. First find median. How to find median? Find out n by 2, that is 26 by 2 13. The value just greater than 13 is a median class. Look out for x value in the table. This x value will give you the median. So median is 7. Now once you get the median, you have to find xi minus median. This value minus median value, that is 5 minus 7, 7 minus 7, 9 minus 7, 10 minus 7, 12 minus 7, 15 minus 7. Next you have to find fi into xi minus median. These values into these values. So you get these values. If you add this, you will get 84. So our formula is 1 by n summation f into xi minus median, 1 by 26 into 84, that is 84 by 26, which is 3.23. That's about today's class, children.